Okay, now for real. We're working on our game again, chat. Our game, which currently you're just here, and that's all there is. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier in stream tonight, I have a lot of changes that I would like to apply to this. Main one being, I know I said I was going to go kind of like take my engine and work off of that, like basically fork the repo and make another survival horror game in the engine that we've already built, like the framework that we've already built, rather. The more I think about it, I think while that's doable, it's going to be more work to do that rather than make this a FPS game. Yeah. Like, there's trade-offs, obviously, but, again, in the interest of finishing this by... It's like the beginning of March, I forget what the exact date is when this is due, but... Anyway, yeah, this is my random horror game. I didn't even really talk about, like, what this game is going to be. I just sort of made this janky gas pump, which, by the way, we can make this look like 10% better if I just, Actually, ooh, this janky texture is going to look a lot worse now that you can go in first person, but whatever, that's fine. People will notice that it's actually the texture for a sign and not rather display on a gas pump, but like the sign you'd see at a gas station. Anyway. But if we just kind of pinch like these four vertices inward a little bit and give it that kind of like curve, it'll look a little bit better. What is this game? Oh yeah, it's Goof Troop. I was like, I know this song. What the heck is this? Okay, as soon as that sound came in, I would have noticed. I don't think we'll be doing any modeling tonight. I know that took a big chunk of our last dev session. I just kind of want to get some like basic scripts together. Yeah. First things first, though, we actually need to go into our project settings. I'm also more than happy to answer any questions about the story or like what this game's gonna be. No, actually, let me start out with like, so the theme of this game jam is David Lynch style game. I think that's pretty much the only direction, other than it has to mention or show quinoa, coffee, and a horse at some point. It's pretty much the only requirements as far as I recall. But yeah, I'm trying to make a mystery puzzle horror game that's going to be primarily narratively driven, but mostly about going around and investigating weird happenings that kick off with an unexplained murder at your place of work, which is a gas station, and your character being the next target of these mysterious murders happening in this rural wooded community. Okay, so yeah, you know, screw all that. We need to make actions here. Yeah. This is not the right way to do this. Okay, really quick, I need to double check how my input mappings work on my game. Or on my game. I mean, this is also my game, but you know what I mean. I might even like look at the code. Come on. Surely I can run 2 instances of Godot at once, right? You don't have to be this way, Godot. Oh, that's not scary at all. There we go. Project settings, input map. There's a reason why I have those as separate things, but I don't remember why off the top of my head. Yeah, everything else, like the same action, has controls for both joypad and keyboard. But for some reason, the directional things, it made sense to do them separately. Alright. I got what I needed. I got what I needed out of that. I mean, yeah, I guess forward is probably like the, well, forward, backward. Should I pluralize that? Also, I don't know if I'm, like, just not doing something correctly, but it is weird that, like, oh yeah, I can do this, right? No. Oh, God. No. Just right. Oh, my God. There we go. Thank you. You just listen for input. I forgot about that. That's a PS2 controller. That's not plugged in. This'll work. Actually, shit. I like that disconnected when I dropped it. It didn't unplug. I don't know why that whatever. You know what? I'll just put it in. It's fine. I need generic gamepad input, not Oh, you know what? Crap. I probably will need, like, to just read the raw input of the joystick. Because, like, the way you add that is, like, yeah, not even just that, but I need to, like... You can't get, like, the whole axis in general, right? Oh, this is messy. Okay, well, cool. I do want to allow for rebinding, but, strafe left. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Move forwards, move backwards, strafe left. Strafe right. Move joystick. Strafe joystick. Look. Look. Vert. Look. Why would I abbreviate that? Look vertical. Horizontal. I don't know how the mouse stuff works. Not mouse buttons. Do you just have to, like, read the mouse as a raw input and not... You can't bind that to anything? That sucks if so. Might be the case, though. I don't like that. Unless... Yeah, no. Well, I guess that'll just be joystick stuff then. Yeah, joypad axes, yeah, joypad 0. Oh, crap. No, why? Okay, you know what? Fuck this. I guess we'll just read the joystick and the mouse. And rebinds be damned. But this, however, we can do, No, we actually can just put this under here, which is nice. Because the axes are, this. There, it's actually the individual fucking direction of an axis of the bleh. Yeah. Yeah, left stick left, left stick right. Our goals tonight are mainly just to get like some really basic framework stuff going on, so yeah, we don't even need that or that. Alright, let us now create a scene for the player. Prefabs. Need a new folder for this. Player. You know, I bet I could set up like a build pipeline. Maybe not, actually. I don't know. I'm getting fancy here. Doesn't really matter anyway. Yeah, 2D scene, please. Thank you. Player. You know what? I'll play ball with Godot's naming conventions, even though my folders do not. My folders super do not play ball with the... I'm sorry, what? Did I just type... Okay. Delete this, even though I could just rename it and that would be fine. Later. Close this. Do not save it. Get frickin' wrecked, buddy. Camera 3D. Boom. Beautiful. Okay, so... I'm gonna do this. In a node. 3D specifically. Movable... Moving parts. There we go. You camera, you are a moving part. Yeah, whatever. Player camera. Give it a proper name. Crap, this thing also needs an environment. Okay, we can set that programmatically though. I don't know why I'm fretting over that. Okay, and on this, no, I think we should have a script at the root here. It's probably the best place to put that. Maybe? I don't know. Yeah, probably, honestly. There's a thing that's still opened. Oh, that's... I guess you guys can't see my tray, but there's... the icon for this window, which is also just Godot, is a blank... It's like a unidentified window. Default Microsoft tab window. Weird. Do I even have a scripts folder? Sure do. Alright. Folder. Call it player. I'm gonna make a global constants script as well, because I almost always need that. Global constants. And then... I mean... What's more classic than a player.script, you know? Right? Alright. Let's open this gdscript. It's Godot script. Yeah, export. I think that's, yeah. Oh crap! I forget the syntax in gdscript, but we'll figure it out slowly. I think you do name. I think it's like I don't know why my brain went to Haskell by default, but it's like that style where you do like name then colon type if you want, but it's like loosely typed. Haskell is not loosely typed, by the way. I don't know why. It's brain is melting, chat. Maybe we had a few too many in playing Robotron 64. Note to self. Dev first, game later is the better equation overall. Seemingly. Anyway, let's call this moving parts node 3D. Did that. Nope. 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 It ain't that either. Do I do it this way? No. Hold on. Wait, maybe the documentation will help me. Oh. Was it F12? No, it ain't right. Search the help. Var, that's what I was missing. Okay. Thank you. I think otherwise that was correct. Yeah, now it's happy. Cool. Can I clear this? This is clear, right? Yeah. Boom. Boom. Hmm. Idiot. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's not right. Dude, I need like an example. Okay, hold on. Let me just look at a really basic. Oh, it's not update, it's process. That's what I think that's actually what's mad about. Well, no, because Alright, you know what? Honestly, go back to the docs. Nope. Well, I guess online docs work, but it's more helpful if I like look at them while you guys can see what I'm doing. You know? This guy. No, not audio instance process. Oh shit, we should get our audio code set up early too. That is not a bad idea. You know what? Alright, hold on. There we go. Physics process. Show me an example, please. You won't. There we go. Oh, okay. There is some amount of declaration. I know it has no brackets, but it's not like you just like made JavaScript, you know, just like, yeah, this thing does this. Okay, so func. Is it? It is on. Yeah. Okay. There we fucking go. Void. Oh no, the returns a void is what that's saying. Okay, now it's happy. That's cool. I should not have closed. Actually, you know what? I don't even need Godot open for this, but I need I need my scripts open for this. Because I want to translate my C# Godot scripts into Godot scripts. No. I must say no to them. I don't know why they're suddenly asking, actually. Alright, there's a lot of code here, but this is the important one. Movement. There we go. God, I hate the way I wrote this right now, in this particular moment. Oh. How does it know whether it's analog or not? Input movement. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. Oh, shit. Alright. This code... I'll tell you what... Input dir. Oh, right. Okay. There we go. I was like, I'm pretty sure I have like a constant method to do, like a static method that I call to do this. Oh, God. So many layers. Yeah, input.getVector. Yeah, you know, this is actually kind of where I need to look at my project over here. I lied when I said I was done looking at the input map in my other game. Yeah, I mean... Oh, I see. Because you give it multiple directives, and then it's like, oh, okay. Yeah. And this is why I made a constants file, because we're going to be declaring a bunch of constants in here. Actually, I do not know how to do this in gdscript, so this is where things get interesting. You know what? I can move myself, by the way. We don't need to be over here. We can be down here. Seems like a better spot for me anyway when I'm game deving. That's my Stardew Valley position, but we're going to be playing Stardew for a while, so, you know. Okay. Not this. Yeah. Okay. New script. Not new script, but... Actually, not global constants. Spaced out, but I heard Stardew Valley, hello. I moved my camera because I'm like, my camera's on the, like, left middle because of Stardew Valley. And I can just put it back there the next time I play Stardew Valley, you know? Because I mean, to be fair, all I'm blocking is my file system, but over here I'm blocking nothing. So naturally, hold on, I got this. Naturally, I should be here. I was gonna grow my camera, but that's just obnoxious to fix, so I'm not gonna do that, actually. Okay, constants script. Open it up. Extends node, true. Oh man, how do you declare... That's not like... Oh, no, constants is not a... It looks like it's a keyword. Do I do it after var? No? Okay. Let's look this up. We have a whole heckin' help. That's for shader code, don't care about that. Alright. It's highlighted like it's a keyword though. Hold on. Go do constant var. Yeah, thank you. No, not what are they used for? Maybe instead of var, I'm supposed to be this? Oh, okay. Do I need to declare type, or can I just, like, set it? I doesn't like that. Okay, how do I use this? They like they declare a constant in this example code and they just don't reference it at all. What the fuck? Is this just... I don't even need to reference global constant? Yeah, no. Wait, wait. Oh my god. gdscript reference const. I don't know why I looked at the AI overview as though it was going to tell me anything useful. It didn't. Shocker. Documentation sucks, man. It's like it does not show you how to like reference it, even within like not even in the context of like the same file. It's just like whatever. Okay, here's a Godot tutorial video. How old was this video? 5 years ago. I mean, it's probably fine. So I understand that constants are constant. That's why I'm trying to make one. Please, goddamn. This whole video is like explaining what a constant is and how to declare one, but not how to like reference one. This is driving me insane. What the fuck? Like, I could use magic numbers here, or I guess magic strings rather, but show me how to reference. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose my mind. You can't modify constants. Now, if you wanna use constants when you know it's not going to change. No shit, asshole. That's what I'm doing. Just fucking show me. What the hell? Also, the fucking Animaniacs team playing during this is very appropriate. Dude, I'm about to thumbs down this video. Like, why is there no section where it, like, explains how to use it? Like, yes, I understand what a fucking constant is. You don't need to make a 7-minute video about it where you don't actually, like, show someone how to use it. This is insane. Constants, gdscript tutorial, episode 3. This is the same. This is the same fucking video. Wait, okay, hold on. There's example code here, but nothing references it. Great, thank you. How the fuck do I reference this? gdscript cheat sheet. Maybe this will help me. This is not a cheat sheet. This is a like lookup. Don't want to know about defining a constant. I want to know how to use one. I guess I need to do this. Oh, maybe that does it. No, it still doesn't like that. But. Maybe not. Is there like an auto fix for this? Like, no. The classic. How is this even remotely like relaxing? This might be a scoping issue of like, I need to go... Okay, hold on. gdscript reference constant another script. There we go. Do I need to do preload? What the fuck? What? Okay, I don't know how they... I guess I maybe hit Control instead of Shift there and deleted the whole script by accident. Oh, you have to declare a class name. Did not know this was a thing. Chat, I'm renaming this script as well. Also, chat, the temporary title of this game is becoming more permanent. Pardon me. Keep tabbing the wrong way. There we fucking go. God damn. God damn, chat. Okay, so colon equals is fine like that, but you can do like colon int and then equals, and that's also fine. I don't know if it's possible to build a struct in gdscript, but I'm gonna check it. gdscript struct. Actually, no, enum. What? I don't need a struct. I need an enum. Probably is not a thing. Although, oh god, it probably won't. I don't know if I can like tokenize it as a string as in the same way that you can in C#. Hold on. /r/Godot. I don't understand how enums work. Oh, okay, yeah, hold on. I don't even need a const here. We just need enum. There actually you can just do enum. It's actually normal. Controls. And move forwards, move backwards, straight left, straight right. You're confused, but okay. So going back to this, we're gonna just put this in a thing. Honestly, this maybe should just be something in the constants. Hold on. Funk. I don't know if there's a static funk, but let's call it funk. Get movement vector. Why stop with the brackets? I mean, you do use brackets. I got confused because the enum uses brackets. Although I don't, maybe I don't need to use. Okay, no, you definitely do. I'm learning so much about gdscript tonight, apparently. By the way, the reason why I'm not making this game in C# is because I want to be able to build this just to like a web build, and Godot currently does not support building to web target. Maybe it does. I have not checked since the last version we upgraded to, so maybe I'm outdated here. But if you're using the like gdscript mono where it supports C#, you can't build to web target. I'm pretty sure that's still true, but I don't know for certain. Anyway, gdscript static funk, I don't know. Oh yeah, cool. I should just try things, chat. You know, sometimes they will work. Oh, but it shoot, crap. Not go back like that. Go back in the doc lookup I was doing. Ah, fuck, it's already gone. Well, I guess I'll look up a funk. I don't know. Oh, here's a funk. No, but I need to know, how do you declare what a funk returns? Damn it. Let me go look up funk again. Not funk X. Function? That's not what I need. That's a shader. Okay, close the. Oh, main loop. Yes. Does this not ever define? Hold on. Alright, I don't know how to declare what this returns, but that's fine, I guess. Anyway, going back to Ryder over here real quick. Grab this. I don't know how to make comments. That's not how you make comments. Whatever the fuck. And this should probably, no, it doesn't. Damn it. Oh, it's the hash, isn't it? Yeah. Thank you, Godot, for. I guess hash is kind of standard. Yeah, I'm just being a fucking asshole right now. Anyway, input get vector. Thank you. Negative x is controls dot strafe left dot. That's gonna give me a number. I don't think I can two-string this. I think I might actually just have to. Oh, God. Do they have... Okay, hold on. gdscript subclass. How to use a subclass. Okay, hold up. That's not a subclass. What the fuck? Oh, wait, shit. No, it is. Damn it. Inner class. That's what I was trying to say. I got very confused for like a split second. You know, chat, the alcohol might have had too much of it. That's all. Okay, so you can just do this. Okay, that's fine. I mean, I don't really need, I don't know. So rather than an enum, and this is like 6 to 1, half a dozen to another. Oops. Like, I don't need to like necessarily do things this way. But like, I feel like when I'm actually like in practice writing code in the game, this will eventually like make sense to have things organized this way. Oh, no. Because we don't, like, it's good to know how to make an enum, because we will need that for other stuff, but, like, we don't need that to be associated with an enum, per se. I just need these to not be magic strings, you know? Like, it's much better if, even if it's in the context of this constants class, because we're just calling this, like, get movement vector thing, like, it's still better. Yeah, I know I have a dupe declaration. Let's delete this. Actually, honestly, I just copy everything, and we're good. Oops. That's mad, because that doesn't exist. Don't have any clue why you guys are mad right now. But whatever, we'll press on for now. Controls.strafe right. It's anyone's guess whether that stops being an error highlight once we finish this. I don't know what's happening. Negative Y, which would be, yeah. Not the string move backward. God damn it. Constant up there. Alright. That's happy. This is not happy. What is wrong over here? Oh, because it's capitalized. Dang it. The fool. Ba-ba-boom. Fixed. Look at me fixing my script, chat. Alright. Var input, or move input equals constants. We constants dot get movement vector. Stop don't you dare semicolon, you fool. Anywho, why is this yellow now? I'm confused. Let's go ahead and oh wait, I can do this, right? Yes. No. Wait, is this not a vector too? What do you mean unexpected indent in class body? That sucks. Alright, hold on. gdscript declare return. What? Oh. I was like, what do you mean, not all? Okay, I'm glad, I'm glad I did declare that, because it fucking saved us a little bit right there. Cool. Alright. With this, we should be able to move. Now, next comes the camera. I realized that that took us like an hour. Lamo. Actually, no, we can't move yet. Hold on. We gotta use the movement vector, you know? Oh. Why am I giving that an int? Cool. It does not like the F. Fast game, chat. I don't have a run button yet, but that's fine. Oh gosh. Maybe I should be in physics process. I don't know. Not sure, actually. Ooh, shoot. Oh, how do I do this? Move and slide requires, was it Actor 3D? I think. Hey, my background. Look at that, chat. Anyway, wait, moving parts is not assigned. Why? Whatever. You know what? I want to revamp that a little bit, because what that should be called is actually rotating parts, not moving parts. This is not the right code base. Dude, I am all over the place in terms of like first we move, then we'll get rotation. If I got basic movement, I think we're just gonna like dip out at that point. I think I will probably do some game dev on Tuesday, chat. Spoilers. Probably not in this order, given how unproductive I currently am, given my level of inebriation. But you know, c'est la vie. This is. I've never played the SNES F-Zero, but I would be shocked if this is not from F-Zero. Let's see if I'm right. I'm wrong, Chad. It's from Air Force, Desert Strike, Return to the Gulf. Alright. Well done. I'm shocked. This sounds like an F-Zero song, does it not? Okay. Let me look this up. What has move and slide? Move and character. Yeah, no. Well, no, not character by. Okay, character by 3D will also do this. Is there any detriment to us turning this guy into a character body 3D? Specialized class or physics bodies are meant to be user controlled. They are not affected by physics at all, but they affect the physics bodies in their path. They are mainly used. Yeah, that seems okay. And then you need yeah, no, you need like a collision shape. Right. That's fine. Just more than fine. Oh, right, I gotta make a shape. Capsule's probably the best. That's fine. We can adjust that later if we need to. Wrong area. There we go. Move. Oh yeah. I gotta make this character body 3D. Oh. Move and slide. But not yet though. Velocity equals move input times delta times player speed. Alright, now we should be able to actually move in the game. We may not move fast, but we should be able to move. Except I did not put a player script in the scene over here, so let's do that instead of just a random camera. Boom. Deleted. Not the player script, give me the player prefab. Put the player in the scene. Okay, I can so very faintly see the player's hitbox. What the hell? It's too low. I do not know if I'm going to collide with anything in here, but I guess we'll find out. Hee. Error setting property velocity. Oh, it wants a vector 3. That's so dumb. I mean, it's not actually dumb at all. What am I saying? Why am I giving this a vector 2 back, actually? Okay, yeah, no. That does deserve a vector 2, but then I need to translate that. God, wait, which axis is which, chat? No, wait, I know how to do this one. Y is up, okay. That's all I needed to know, actually. Oh. The fuck? What do you mean, except the closing parent? I did. Oh, right. Is that okay? No. Is that okay? No, there's no, like, newing up. gdscript convert vector to, yep, to vector 3. There we go, thank you. Oh, I literally just needed to capitalize. No? Okay. I mean, I guess var move input 3D. Just not happy about that either. What the fuck? Oh my god, this whole time. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit, hold on. Go back a lot, actually. Oops. Vector 3. Why does this not exist? Except it does, actually. Okay, cool. Whatever. It's fine, I guess. Oh, baby. Look at that slow movement. Oh, no, it's backwards. Okay. W and S are backwards, but strafing left and right works. Little Super Metroid action. Hell yeah. Oh. Oops. No, okay. It did make it sound... I guess that has to do with the coordinate system in this game, but whatever. Fair enough. That needs to be like 5 times faster, I guess? I don't know. I don't know if that'll apply or not. I think it does. Boom. Alright. Way more than 5 times faster, actually. How fast is this? Alright, that's our run speed. Maybe not. I don't know. A little too fast, but like 250 probably is fine. Like that times 3 seems alright for a run button. We'll get that wired up, and also the yeah, this is fine for a walk. Okay, cool. Yeah. We're getting there, chat. We need to apply the run modifier, which that will be easy, but we also need to rotate the player based on mouse input. Not mouse input, but like the look input in general. So I'll get those implemented when I get back. Probably could have just looked at like an example, how do you do FPS controls, and copy paste that into my game, but we didn't. Anyway, whatever. BRB. How was this song from? Yep, you know, I've played Yoshi Safari, and I don't remember this song. That's okay. Anyway, I think first up, let's let the player run. No. That's easy. Let's let the player look around. Maybe this should be physics process. I don't know. Why did you double that? Whatever, man. You do you, I guess. Oh man. So we'll worry about clamping the movement later, but like I think can you private something? Maybe I shouldn't underscore that. I don't know. Whatever. Whew. I like that it errors. There's an indentation right there, but it's like no, there's no line of anything under here, so I must ignore it. I bet this is from DKC3. I was right. Boom. All right. Redemption. Goon Redemption arc. Yeah, I mean, like, for this, it's like, how do I do this? This might just be like, I should probably go look at this code, because, like, you're doing angle math now, and, like, sure, wowie, I managed to read the input. Good-o, FPS. Camera rotation. How do I stop my camera from rotating? Not simple camera rotation with keyboard. Moving camera with mouse. There we go. This person like actually like made the perfect solution and then just fucking did some recursion accidentally. It's pretty amazing. Unless I'm misreading this, I don't know. Alright. How do I'm tracing backwards here. What the hell does tilt input come from? As there's no... Oh my god. Just casually delete the whole script again. That time I did actually... I mean, I guess I pressed the other time too, but that time I like intentionally pressed Control and A. I meant to hit End and A, or End and Shift. I don't know how Control and A happened instead. Okay, so this is just taking raw input from the mouse. Ugh. I don't love the way this happens. I mean, I guess this works, but this is... How old is this code? It's only 2 years old. It's not terribly decrepit. Play... Alright, Godot 4 recipes. How about this? Now this feels better. Except I need to capture the other, like I need controller input. I want this to be fully controller compatible. Because it really does not take that much more effort to make it controller compatible is why. Whatever. Well, alright, let's get the mouse working, then we can worry about... Alright. What if I just steal this? So, wait, is input like a standard thing I can just override? Is it? I do not know, God. Does this work? I don't know if this works or not. Input called event equals event. Yeah, it does not look like this is, you do this? No. What is this, string interpolation? Alright, gdscript string interpolation. Well, that really sucks, actually. God damn. Okay, well, is dollar sign that? No, percent X, not. Ugh. to do percent? Wait, what the fuck? Like this? There's no way. There's actually no way that's like the proper syntax for this. This is some AI hallucinate. Why am I reading? Wait, yeah, I'm reading AI overview right now. What is wrong with me? All right. No, that is actually it. Pardon me. This is gonna spam so much input. Except it isn't. No, it is. It totally is. Okay, never mind. Okay. I mean, I guess that's a way to do it. Weird, but okay. Oh shit, no. Okay, I don't know how rotate camera wasn't just... Oh, because we don't call it, that's why. I don't know, that's not just overtaking everything. No, I do not want... There we go, I want this instead, actually. If event is input event mouse motion, okay, and input dot mouse mode. Triply, I'm not writing fucking JavaScript here. Input dot mouse mode captured. Okay, so if the mouse is, it's just checking if the mouse is focused on the window. There. This is fucking Super Star Wars. I don't know which one of them, because they all share a lot of similar sound effects and songs. I'm gonna take a random guess and assume it's the first one. AKA New Hope. I was right. That's right. Vindication. Yippee. X equals. Boom. Y equals. Alright, let's see if this works or not. It don't work, chat. There's no output here. Errors. Yeah, sure, whatever, I don't care. Oh, I wasn't focused on the window, that's why. I think. I'm gonna move this over here, and then we can see the log once I click on the window. Nope, does not matter. Okay. What if I just delete this part? Hey, mouse capture event. Alright, that's good. I don't really know what the hell. I mean, that's probably like a debug thing, I'm guessing. I thought if I clicked on the window it would count, but it doesn't. Okay, whatever. Ugh. You know what, I guess I'll leave this for now, uncommented. Alright, what else is this example code doing? Oh, it doesn't even like, there's no physics process about this. It just fucking like rotates it immediately. I guess that's how I want it. I want it to be reactive, so you know. Actually, wait, I got a better idea. Hold up. Rotate camera event dot relative that x. Yes, I know I misspelled that. I'll fix it in a second. X float y float if x is 0 and y 0, return. Okay. Back to the example code. Rotating parts dot rotate x stop semicolon. Oh, actually, no, hold up. Okay, this part should be dumb. Part up there should multiply. There should be two separate values for mouse sensitivity and oh god. So we need like a game config value now. I mean, we'll constant this for now, but we will expand this into like a config setting like very shortly. I think it's not gonna be that hard to do. But this code down here should just not care about like any of that filtering. This is just in charge of like actually rotating stuff. Okay, this rotates the X. How do I rotate the Y though? Wait, what the fuck is this? Rotate Y. Event dot relative X times mouse negative event dot relative X times mouse sensitivity. And then rotate X event dot okay, I guess X and Y are swapped on the mouse. That's fucking weird. I have no way to confirm or deny this shit. Hold on, let me. Okay, just dumb check right now. Back over here, please. Vertical only. Seems to just be working on the Y. Okay, so up. Very negative. Down. That was very slow. Down. Very positive. Okay. X. Left. Oh, but what axis you're rotating on? Oh my god. Okay, this is probably right. I'm thinking because you don't. It's not like 1-to-1. Like the X, rotating on the X-axis means up and down because it's like it's this plane, right? And if you're rotating on that, that means you're going whoop whoop whoop. So that is what you want to rotate on. Rotating on the Y is whoop whoop whoop. You know. That was a very weird visual way to describe that, but this suddenly makes sense. Anyway, you know, I was like, hey, give me a very basic implementation of this, and it did, and I was like, I don't trust that. So that's my bad, actually. Anyway, yeah, so rotate X, Y, and rotating parts that rotate Y, X, as fucking weird as that is, I guess. Add moose. Add moose. Why am I saying to do? Just fucking multiply it right now. Like, it's not hard. Just const var mouse sensitivity. Now the real to do is to do move these into a config data struct. Alright, float equals, I don't know, 10. I'll start with 10. Why are you mad? That's fucking wrong, buddy. Tell me. Oh, you don't have, no, yeah, it's const or var. I'm a dummy. Const controller sensitivity float. We'll have two separate settings for this in the settings or in the menu eventually, so like if I set these as separate things now, it'll be easier to like map those to a config value later, you know? And then we want that in the input specifically here. Just multiply these by these, and when I remove them, I'll know what I need to do. Now we will eventually come back and okay. I guess maybe 10 was too much. Let's go with 0.1 for the time being. Maybe that'll be a little bit more agreeable. I don't even know if it's working or not. Just, okay, at least I can move. Now we need to clamp stuff. But also I think I have... Okay, we're on the right axes, but I think both of them are inverted. Oh yeah, right. We go back over here. The rotate Y should be, and I know I said I shouldn't do like weird calc. I mean, I guess both of them are backwards, right? So like, if I just negative both of these, does that? Oh well, I shouldn't. I don't know. Okay, well, there's certainly... I need to impose some limits here. We... Oh my god. Huh. It seems like I can't do this, but also, what if I can do this? This is the constant that is going to stay here. And you know what? Deal with it, chat. You can't stop me. I'm going to start with what this example script I'm looking at is showing me, and then moving on from there. I just realized I'm taking this from like a children's tutorial. But you know what? Whatever. Okay. Flat out. Ah. Okay. Hold on. No. Don't. Oops. Just don't rotate Y, please. Is the up and down working? Let's do it one axis at a time, chat. Kinda isn't. Well, is it though? I mean, it is kind of working. This is not very smooth. I'm gonna be honest. You know, okay. Well, blah blah blah. Fair enough, I guess. All right. How about rotate nothing in here? How about that? Look at this image. Like this. Okay, so we start here. So I think actually though this is working as intended. But what the fuck is this thing's problem? You know? I mean, I guess maybe nothing. I don't know. Uh-oh. Ah, shoot. Ah, heck. Alright, new idea, chat. What if our rotating parts is just us? I'm trying to get clever with it, but I think we are the rotating parts. Okay, well, this... vaguely helps, but is not the core fix that we're looking for here. Let's movement does need to take account for not the dot product, but it needs to be like relative to where the forward of rotating objects is currently pointing. Ugh. This is gross. This is real gross. I don't want a dot product. I want the velocity like rotated to whatever the current so maybe in get movement. Okay, hold on. Then we need to rotate, like we need to apply a rotation to this that is relative to whatever the hell the current like rotated object is. So that like forward will always be forward. That's all we have to do right now. Is just rotate this around whatever that is. But like, how do I do that? Ugh. I think I'm overcomplicating this, maybe, but like, also I think this is like one more line of code and then I'm good. Ugh. Apply vector 3 Godot? No, wait, not even Godot. gdscript vector 3 relative to rotation. Basis.x form. That's not what I'm looking for. I don't think I am. Ooh, wait, but we could. Okay, wait, no, hold on. We could do this. Dot rotated. Yes. Yes. I guess this is like vector 3.up, I think. I think? I don't know. And then the angle is whatever the hell the current angle is. Just specifically, oh my god, sorry. The the rotating parts dot god. Get rotation. What does rotated want? Oh my god. Yeah, it wants red. Angle and radiance, yeah. Global rotation, maybe, but like, ugh. Global rotation dot x or dot wait, do I want the y? Yeah, I want the y, not the x. What? Ah, fuck. Oh, wait, return that. That's what I was gonna do. There we go. I don't know that this will. Oh. Yo, I did it. I did it, chat. No tutorials required. Can walk through stuff, but that's okay. That genuinely, that actually will be solved. Okay, all of this is so fucking rigid. Wait. Okay, I thought the oh my god. Am I even using this correctly? What the hell is happening right now? Maybe I had to see it even more, like, okay, not 100 times, 10 times though. Will that help? I don't know. There we go. That does help, actually. That makes it... Like, it's not smoothing it properly, and that... I guess that's okay. I'll maybe fix that. Also, we're so fucking short in this game. Just, you know. Alright, anyway. Cool. Hold up. Every time I fucking pick this thing up, man. Okay, the movement works. This is not... The rotation does not. That's fine, it makes sense. Input event. Joypad motion? I guess I want joypad motion. This is so fucking hard-coded, I hate this. Number one, we need to make this work for this one. Joypad motion captured x equals %s, y equals %s, percent event dot relative dot x event dot relative dot y. I don't know how to do else if in this game, in this dungeon. Oh, it's one word. It's L if, isn't it? Thanks, man. Very cool. Anyway, will this collect any input? Jumping and I'm shouting and I'm vigorously... Sorry, this fucking song lives in my head forever. Jumping. And then I break all the glass and then I'm done. There, and I'm done. Thank you for disconnecting constantly. What is with this controller, man? And then I break into your house at night and and then I break all your plates and I start a small fire and so that fucking video just will never leave my brain. Oh no, that's where I start a small fire, is in the and I'm jumping and I'm shouting and I'm vigorously... Okay, there we go. You just can't have that in here. Anyway, I guess relative is not the right... What do we have here? Show me the locals, please. Player speed. Okay. Locals. Event. What's the... Show me the event, asshole. Axis. Axis value. Input event, joypad motion. I mean... This is janky because it's only gonna do one input, one axis at a time, isn't it? Okay, how do I serialize an object? Like, maybe I just like do this, like just %string, and just print it. I don't know, but like I don't think that will do anything. It's probably just gonna give me like nonsense input. Alright, cool. It's very useless, actually. Okay, so it's still 0 through 3. What the fuck, man? Alright, we'll figure out the joypad stuff later, I guess. I don't know. Look at my background again in the meantime, I suppose. What we can do right now is run multiplier is this. I don't have a run button yet, but we can add it right now. Run. Add that. Shift. Or what's a good run button? Circle. Which is right. Right. Or east, or... yeah. No, that's not how to do that. Right. Not D-pad, right? Yeah. Right action. There we go. Boom. Oh, fuck. I know this song. What is this from? Shit. I'm looking it up, chat. Oh my... it's this NES Toy Story game. I played that bullshit before. Anyway. First and foremost, const run string equals run. Oh, oops. Nope, wrong spot. Var is running equals input dot is that's why I still have this open, chat. Not get vector. I'm in the wrong class. Process movement. Is action press. That's what I was looking for. Input dot is action pressed. Wee constants. Controls. Run. Can you do this? No, no, you sure can. Okay. Stop semicolоning. Nope. Nope as well. Jesus Christ, what is this called? What is that noise? What made that noise? Oh my god. I didn't realize I had my work email opened right now. Outlook sound effect for you guys. A little bonus treat. Alright, chat. I'm gonna take a break real quick. I will be right back. We will get this implemented and then maybe I'll come back to the controller controls. But until then, BRB. slowly progressing through this. Sorry, I tabbed out really quick to look at what this song was from. It's from Super James Pond, which seemingly is a game about a fish, I guess. Oh, I made a huge mistake. Hold on. Cute. That's why it was like freaking out on me. What? What? Why is this flagged as like, hey, you can improve this, please? I'll take the input. Just tell me what you want me to do, game. Game engine. Anyway. Oh my god, let me go up. I'm just trying to rename this. Oh, because it wasn't used, that's why it was mad. Okay, fair enough. Okay. Now, if we run, it should run. Okay, cool. Cool. Like I said, that part's quick, except when I name my variable the exact same thing twice in a row, and it's like, I don't know what thing you're talking about. Alright. So this is the real problem here. Yeah, we're okay. You know? Are we just rotating on the wrong axis? What's happening here? Yeah, I think this is like wrong. I like rotate X, Y is not like if you're rotating on X, that's fine if you're moving in a straight line, right? Like okay, hold on. Like I'm only on this axis, right? But it's already. Oh my god. Alright. Did not need to double. Like if we're just over here, well, I guess it's not even fine over here. What is happening? I guess it kind of is. This is like correct. Well, no, it's not though. It's like I'm going on like an arc. I don't know what this instruction is over here, but it's just not. It's not working the way I want it to. Cool. What the hell is up with this then? I mean, to be fair, we could just not let the player look up and down ever. But that's weird. That's like super. I mean, I guess that's Doom. It's Doom controls. You only look around you, left and right. So I'd be a little too sensitive where we're at right now. Like, I feel like you definitely should be able to look like up and down. It'd be fucking weird if not. But again, that's going to be a transform relative to the like X and Z axis, not just rotate X. So I think that's probably the problem here. I don't exactly know what to do. I'd rather like properly capture the joystick input. Honestly, you know what would work way better than whatever the fuck this logic is over here? What if we just instead, in our physics process, did like a get look? I guess, pardon me. There is no like mouse left, mouse up, mouse down, mouse right, but we can do that for the joystick. And then we can do pretty much the same method that we already have here, not in here, in Wii constants.get movement vector. Yeah. Oops. Look. Left. Look. Right. Look. Up. Look. Down. And you know what? We can apply this to keyboard controls as well if we feel like it. You know what? I'm gonna do it too, actually. You can't stop me. Now we are, you know, Doom friendly. Okay, right stick, left. You know, okay, the axis should match up there. I don't know if that's like dead zone bullshit or whatever that was happening, but like it seemed like it was just like, yeah, whatever. in the other code where we were just reading raw values in the debug log there, I don't really know what was going on with that. Anyway, what's this dramatic music right now? So the cool thing about doing things this way is that we will actually be able, on mouse and keyboard, to still control the up and down. It's just very old school in the way that you control it, because you gotta use the fucking... The one thing... Process look delta. Func process look delta float void. Also, that needs to be down here actually. Oh, does it? I don't know. I don't really know where this should be. I guess this should be at the bottom. Okay. Static func get oops look vector vector 2 input dot get vector const look up. That's not what we called it, I'm pretty sure. No, I did actually. String look up. Controls dot. Okay, we need to Okay, yeah. Oops. There we go. I guess I should maybe do like a... There you go. Bada bing. Alright, back to the player. Process look. First of all, look input equals we constants dot get look vector. Thank you. So the tricky thing now is that we need to like tilt this up and down. I guess this is why they just take the camera. Maybe that does just fix all the problems. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, this is also only mouse centric, weirdly enough. I mean, it doesn't... I'm trying to figure out the math here. I just can't. Might be a little bit too drunk for this shit. Like, we're kind of in the right realm. I just need to, if look input equals vector 2 dot... Oops. 2.0 return. That's not how you do if statements in this engine. There we go. Otherwise, we go in, what do I do from here, actually, though? Yeah. like we don't want to just like I've already proven you don't want to just rotate around the x-axis. Like we need some like xz rotation, like relative to whatever the fuck. I mean, I guess if you just take the camera and nothing, well no, because that also it'd be the same result as what we're already getting. It's like it's this weird like, okay, let me visualize this real quick. All right, so we have our player, right? We have this. We just want to, actually, we do just want to rotate this up and down. I don't actually know why. And that is the x-axis. Like, no matter where the hell they are rotated, like, it shouldn't fucking matter. Oh, no, that's why, actually. You gotta, like... No, that is actually the problem right there. Now, again, if I rotate this over here, then I rotate the camera. No, it's the same thing. Fuck is this from? Theme park. Okay. Yeah, we need to do some more complex calculations here, or I just need to like revamp everything I've done, which is probably the more likely option here. Like, okay, if you rotate this and then you rotate, no, it's still the same thing actually though. Shit. Okay, well, I don't know. Chat, it's late. It's past 1 in the morning. I'm gonna just dip out right now. We almost got FPS. We have like Doom level FPS controls. I was hoping to get more done tonight, but I also did not expect to spend like the lion's share of my stream on wait, does this work? No, I didn't get that wired up yet. Okay, fair enough. We will get this figured out, chat, but I guess maybe on Tuesday I'll do like some game dev before we jump into the next PS1 game. I might actually do that. But yeah, I think I'm tapping out for the night, chat. Thank you all for hanging out. I will be back tomorrow, but tomorrow is point and click day where we are playing Ripper. We finished Act 1 of Ripper. I believe it is 3 acts. I don't actually know that for a certainty, but it could be a 5-act structure. I really don't care one way or the other because I'm enjoying the ride for now. But yeah, that'll be tomorrow at 8 p.m. Eastern, and then Tuesday we'll probably come back to this in some capacity. We'll also be doing some retro stuff, but yeah, that's it for stream. Have yourself a goon night, everybody. Peace.